What's good, K&J clan? What I deal with? Right now, I'm stopping on Migla Road. See, there one car pull up behind me. Judge, I'm have to move. You see me? When they don't kill me for your drive and record. So I stop again, yeah. What's up, K&J clan? What I deal with? You know, say, your boy there. You see me? Right now, they're on a journey, you see me? You know which part I'm there? Portmore. You know which part I'm headed? Trelawney. I go down to Ocean Coral Springs. You see me I say? Workplace give me a one night down there. And I drop some staff member down there. When was it? Wednesday, I think. And then we come back up tomorrow. So them say if we go down from today. Currently, time is it? 2:47 at the moment. You see me? So we reach down there, check in. And me alone a travel, as you can see. You see me I say K and they round the yard. Miss that trip here again. Hush mama, so you go. You see me? So when you don't know the thing already, who new to the video? Who new to the video? Why me keep on saying that? Who new to the channel? Like, comment, subscribe and share. You know I'm a regular fool already. You understand who new to the video? Anyway, you know the thing already, people. I can't really drive and record. Because as I say, I'm me alone. So when I reach, if I can stop and catch a little here and there, I will do that. On the highway and them little thing. You see what I say? But if not, when I reach, when I reach and record, when I go in a room, this, that, and all that sort of thing. And me go in a little snippet of the place. You see what I say? So, when you don't know, stay tuned. Don't be a cartoon. You see me? Yeah, people. So, I'm on the highway now, you know. Don't know, just come through the toll plaza a little while. But start the journey and now, you see me I say, about hour and change drive. You see me? See if I can go now view of the highway. Hold on, I'm turning around there. You see it? Yeah, see it there? Yeah, so as I say, if at any interval I can stop and go now a little feature of the highway or nothing like that, I will. But if not, I don't know when I reach. I go now some clippings or when I reach and this, that, and the other. You see me? So, I don't know, people. Wish me safe travels. You see me? So, a matter of fact, if you now watch a video, you know so I reach safe. And reach a Trelawney safe and then reach back at my yard so that K can edit and upload it. Alright? So, you don't know. Big up on yourself. Alright, people. So, see it? First stop. You see the view back at me there, so? Full lake. You see what I say? Look at that. You see how Jamaica nice youth. Ja. Yeah, people, so see it there? Quick and fast. Be a bush. Up in the mountains. Yeah, man. So remember, you know, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe and share. I'm a long time K&J clan. I don't know anything already. See me? So go on, big up. Check in, people. See me again. How me there? Who can tell? Over there, so rest stop. Over there, so rest stop. Who travel the road enough and knows probably left it down in the comments. See me? But for who no know, we there Senton. Reach a Senton, you know. I make 3:30. I make good time. From 2:45, less than an hour. I'm there Senton. No, I'm not speed. You see me? Yeah, so I'll take on the rest of the road there now. I'll show you where I go on up at top there. I'll take on the hill here. Yeah, so I uphill that up there so we are going here now. You see me? So, as I say, I check in as best as I can. When I can. I don't know, so we do it for you know. K&J Clan. You get me? So, I'll finish the tour you know. And then heading to Chilani, you see it? So I head to Mommy Bay here now, so when you know the thing are ready, you get me, so let's go and big up on yourself people. Quick check in my people. Right now I'm there Draxall. How are sir? See I pay mad people on here. See KFC and Starbucks and some other places over there so. Yeah, so we had a good time though. That is it people. So I'm going to like say at Kingston and Portmore alone traffic there. Kuya. They are Prairie and traffic there on the road. And a little bit it gone way up so. Shit God. Tonight before I reach I go. Well, I'm going to go and enjoy the scenery. Not much of there still. You could bush over there, sir. Some more bush over there, sir. And some car pass and one big blue bus and forward there. Nah, not more to show the people. Ja. Watch out now, people. And just keep an eye to our left. I think that be the left or the right eye screen. Whichever. Just keep an eye to that side. I'm showing it says an inbound concept in a taxi man and bus man. And only Kingston and Portmore alone in together. Yeah. Side of the road, you see? Impatience. It's an inbound concept in a blow, people, my lad. Yeah. I don't know feel no way, you know. More forward. When they don't burn me out, to driving and recording thing. To me, now traffic and it barely I go. But I have my eye on the road still. More forward, people. Watch out. In a 3, 2, 1, voila. 1, 2, 3, and the whole of them are red plate. You see what I say? Ja God. Inbound concept, man. Ill discipline. Kuya, a taxi this is not a white plate, you know, but a taxi. You see what I tell you? Yeah, people, there again. See me here? Yeah, so I almost reached my destination now. You know what I mean? Can't say we reach safe. Even though we don't officially reach at the point, but you know, we reach safe. Father God carry we through the journey still. See some whole heap of madness on the road, but we're there. You see it? So I don't know when we reach in, I'm showing you the features what going on the place. Ocean Coral Spring, here I forward. Yeah, people, so the youths them check in. See it there now? Feel like a foreigner, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna try to find the room. You see me? So if anybody wanna know, me in a room, nah, I tell you. Yeah. So don't know, people catch a view of the place now, man. Miami in JA. Jeez, brother. You understand? Why I love the work, I mean, not lie. Yes, brother. Yeah, people, so guess what? So I try to take the elevator, but it don't make sense. So, I walk. You see that? See that? Just one flight a step up. Lazy. Yeah, you know? Yeah, people, so. You see the thing now? In the building, you get me? Always say things. Ododo. Yeah, people, so reach out the room inside. Well, let me see if we can open the door, car. See that? But a 2-bed for me, one. So, 12 o'clock, me asleep on that one, yeah? Or 3 o'clock, me asleep on that one, yeah? Yeah, people. Place nice. Place nice, no joke. Place nice, bro. Nice like a room and thing. You see me? Put on them thing, yeah. See it there, people. Better nice like a view. See swim out pool, yeah. Me the dip on the ground floor, you would get access to this. Right to your room door. At the back of your room, that's so. Or back or front. Whichever. You can just step out through the back, that's so. Me I say back. And just go straight in a little pool right there, so you see me? Decent. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, people, see it, yeah? Going to the bathroom tour now. Ocean Coral Springs. Decent. Holy pa. Rare there, so what is name? Fresh Essence. You know what I mean? Body milk. Hey, jeez, I'm gonna take care of you, boy. Yeah. Focus, my boy. What is now? Shampoo. See that? And conditioner. Shower gel. You see me? Shower cap. You see it? A little bar of soap. A little towel thing them on there, so. Decent. You get it? You know, so. You know, so I be standing shower this. Shower head. You get me? Nice little light thing right there, so. You see it? Set the mood. If you want to get rude. Little toilet. You know what I mean? When you want all the meds. When you have too much food. And the belly start move. You know you go. You see me? I have like a mini bar on there, so. See it there? Stack out. 2 red stripe. And that bun off. Coca-Cola. Sprite. Bigger. You know? Water. Water is like my 4 in there. See there? 10 bottle of water, you get little water there, so. Don't know if you want to make little tea. You know the badness come down. You see it? So I go on this. Nice little closet area. What? All umbrella, complimentary umbrella or a small leafy. Even know. Guess in case we're gonna fall. That's it. Get a nice little umbrella. If a complimentary, a decent little touch, you see it. Don't know bedroom area. 2 bed. You know what I mean? The design what them have. It's okay, you know what I mean? It's nice. Watch TV. No, I go on panic and I switch the channel yet. Because, what do you want to call this? Coffee table. Work area. You know? Like a sit down and chat area. You see me? One hell of a glass there, so. None of me catch a ceiling fan. One nice ceiling fan there, so go and circulate the AC breeze. You know you go already. So, that's the room tour, is it? So yeah, people. So I'm going. So I drink, yeah. Little splash of something now with some cranberry, you know. So there I'm going easy, you know what I mean. I'm sorry to tell you there. Sorry no there, mama, but you know it already. Soon over time, you see it. You know, check out the scene now, man. Right on the bar there in our place. You see me? Towel around the neck like a tourist. Who know my father knows say I always have a towel around the neck. So I just follow me and follow suit. You see it like a real offspring. Yeah man people, so you know it already. Soon dinner time, soon find something to consume, so you just go and stay tuned, you see it? And then tomorrow I can get a swimming in the pool before I left. So you're gonna. Let's give us some more. Come on. Roll it. Roll it. Have a two. Ready? 1, 2, ready? Where's one more? Where's one more? Hey guys, see my little sister doing that? Who said yes, raise your hand. But if you miss, no food for daddy, right? You guys think you feel alright? Alright, let's see. You want to do it, sister? Watch out. Alright, ready. Ready. Alright, you're going to open your mouth and close your eyes. Open your mouth and close your eyes, alright? You're not doing it? No, close your eyes. No, I'm going to throw it in. I'm going to throw it in. For real. Yeah, close your eyes. And you got to close your eyes. You can close your eyes like you do. Let's give us some more. Come on. Hey. Right after two. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey. Give it up for sister. Don't worry, daddy got the video, right? That's right. Alright, let's give it some more guys. Come on. Hey. Up. Alright, sister, you're gonna do something for me. You're gonna pick 3 ladies on the table. Pick 3 ladies on the table. Don't pick mommy. This side, and this side. So 1 this side, 1 this side, and 1 this side. 3 ladies on the table. Don't be afraid, we are one family.
Who you pick? One this side, one this side. Between my, who you pick? Between my two sisters, who you pick? Who you pick? Sister or sister? Who you pick? She. Alright, you gotta stand up. Get there, I stand up. Alright, you gotta stand up, you gotta stand up. Alright, sister, this side now. Between my sister, 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 and sister. Who you pick? Who you pick? Sister, sister, sister. Who you pick? Who you pick? You get nervous. One lower lucky touch. All right, this is a lucky touch for the sister. And let's go. If you're happy, you know the club.
What go on K&J clan? Morning time, man. See the badness. So right now, I make a stroll go downstairs and I say I'm going lazy river and slide and bait things. So you know it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, you know. Jump up earlier still in about 6:30 no wake still, is it? I'm reaching about minutes to 2 this morning. You see it? Make about 6:30 still. You see me? Because I'm not to do the long sleeping thing. You see it? So, I go downstairs, go feature the waters, you see me? See if I can find somewhere to store my thing them so that them not wet up. You get me? Say? And then I go look like a food. Because you know, say, today I cut down. It's a little one day thing and nothing too long. You see me? I say people, so don't know. Go enjoy the features, you see it? Hey people, so I'm definitely strolling, you see me? Know the thing go. So when I deal with it in the early morning, everything govern. I want to say people don't like the place. Yeah. Now I go on a little vacation with no family. I don't know no special person. You see me? Place ideal, man. You see me? Cater for everybody. I remember say you have Eden Bay over on the next side over there, so you know, that for adults only. You see me? I say you have some more family, you have a little more reasonable than over there, so I'm not really sure the price over there so still. You see me? Lovely. Clean off. Ah, see you there? Yeah. Sorry for the intermission there. Clean off the lens, you know? So I'm telling you, I have a little water park around there, so I'll show you it still. You see it? That's 9 o'clock. The pool open and blase, very. You see what I'm saying? So I'll show you it still. See me, nevertheless. I'm going to the inside too, I'm going to the outside you know. You see me? So yeah. So a little water park. You can see. Alright, see. The rules. Water park out at 8 AM, 6 PM. Maximum weight. Oh, it's exclusive for children, so it's a maximum weight 77 pounds. So I weigh more than that, so I can't go in there. I'm go in there and the absolute pack down with me. Ja God. Yeah, people, so as I say, I don't know if I can see it still, but the property is huge. Isn't it? Property broad. No joke. It's around on the front page. Nice because sunrise over there, so you know, not too bright, decent view. Yeah, people, so we have to change camera because catch back a light. Because I don't know, the other phone there going with a bag of madness. I don't even know if I lose all that footage when I record before. Because phone get into trouble here, man. Phone just shut down. You see me? So all of the thing them, hold on, wait a little bit, the people, don't move. Yeah, people, sorry about that. So I'm not saying, I don't know if the footage may have gone. If it gone, we have to replace it with this. But if not, or if we get piece and piece gone, we have to just can remix it and make it work. You get what I say? But as I said before, I was rudely interrupted by that phone shutting off, right? This one behind me, Sakura. Them say, this is one of the restaurants where you have to make reservations for, right? They have 10 restaurants over here. 9 of them you can just walk in and dine, and this one you have to make reservations. And I was saying that I heard that about from 10 o'clock. Reservations start make from 11 o'clock in the morning, right? And you say from 10 o'clock, the line long gone so. Because people want the experience of the live cooking thing. Wait, I'm going to say that bees I deal with. You can see? Money bees. Go on, brother. You want part of the vlog or what? Or me come sitting in this. Anyway, still. Yeah, so you go see me can go now back a view of what me I talk about the restaurant then. You see me? I call it the restaurant stretch. So the whole of the stretch here, so we look on. The restaurant in the pan. You see me? We have one sports bar over there, so. And Eden Bay they're down there, so. That's the adult part. That is. The adult part of the hotel. Adults only section, I guess. You see me? And this one here is one named Martha's Market. Yeah. This is the one where you make the reservations for Sakura. You see me? You have the ice cream place there, so. And some shops. If you want any souvenir or stuff like that, they're on that side over there, so. You see me, I say, people? I'm telling you something, music play right through this place, sir. Night and day, music not stop playing. So the place not deady. You know what I say? So people, me I try to find the lazy river. And I think I kinda understand what they call it. So right now I feel lazy, I try to find it. You understand? Because I can't sleep located. I know I see one sign last night, but I don't remember when I see it. You see me? People are jogging them things there at the moment. Place now really come like everybody party out last night, because I tell you in the club they warm, brother. You see me? All the people did in there. Don't let nobody know wake yet, so. And me and those few people, I say I do a little walking session and a little jogging, keep fit. In the morning, yeah. Alone, I say. You know? Do you even know what time breakfast starts, sir? But we're gonna figure it out. You see what I say, peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, people. So I don't know, say, almost check out time now, you see me? Staff member, them wrap up them retreat session. You see me? And they are going to watch West Ham versus, no, sorry, the other way around. Chelsea versus West Ham. Currently, West Ham are lead 1-0. You see me? So I'm going to watch some football and I use myself until check out time. I'll check out about 11:30 still. 10:25, you know, so I'm going to ease it till a movement time, you see. You know, I might grab some lunch or something. Right now, to my belly full, everything on a lunch at the moment, but you see how it goes still, no people, so. You know, you guys already, you know. Hope you enjoy what I shared with you guys. You see me? And you know the thing already, like the video, comment, share. You see me? And if you're new, subscribe. You see me? So, you know the thing already, big up on yourself until next journey. You see me?